Nice. Now get these little vanilla wafers on here. Bingo. And I can just twist slowly to get this to go through. Oh yeah! Come on, homeboy, melt up. Oh! Bang. Strawberry ice cream, homeboy. Oh yeah. There you go, there you go. Strawberry vodka. Get a little hit. Oh yeah, come on. Get yourself in there. Now you're coming behind that with some strawberry liqueur, okay? This one's actually red, but it shouldn't turn it red because, you know, it's pink. Then we can hit it with a little rum chata. Why? Because we can. I don't want to affect the pink color, guys, so I'm trying to use everything that's kind of either white or a little bit of red. Godiva white chocolate. Put on here like so. Good to go. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! Now watch this. Oh! Look at the chocolate pieces in this bad boy. Oh yes. Strawberry pieces, okay? Sometimes I forget what I'm doing. Oh my goodness, look at you, look at you. And if you want to, you know, you could come over with just a little light toasting of vanilla wafers on top. This drink all about decadence and victory, okay? Guys, this failed, okay? This cake was just weak, okay? I don't like weakness. Bring in some strength. Lift this bad boy off. Now we come in with this. We just go down. Take off that little shell. Perfecto. Look at that. Give me a little support structure right here. Bang. Come with my boy on top. Bang. Get my little straw in here. Down the side. Ooh yeah. And there you have it. The strawberry staircase to heaven. You just climb up these vanilla wafers and God's at the top, okay? If you can make it. Oh God. It's so delicious. You know what I mean? And then you just hold here and you just go hard. Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Stay tipsy, okay? You can feed the 10,000, man. Trust me. The 5,000, sorry. It's been a while since I read the Bible. Later!